What's up, everybody? I'm making this video because I didn't see a video about this on the internet and I figured this would be helpful for somebody else. This is the Wolf. It's called the Herringbone Cotton Twill Chore Jacket in Bugatti Blue. When I saw this jacket on the internet, I said, oh, I have to have that. It was about $80, $90. It came from the UK. I'm in the US in California. So let's get some detail here, detail shots. It has this really great fabric. It feels very light on your body. Here's the button. It feels very light on the body. It's very comfortable. I was very happy with this purchase. Let's check out the inside. It's not lined. It's got like this kind of folded over fabric on the inside. It's got the one pocket on the breast and then the two Chore jacket style pockets, and the color is really nice. I really like this blue color. It's very bright and nice. Okay, here's the fit on my body. I am about 5'10", 170-ish pounds. And as you can see, this is what it looks like on me. This is a large size jacket. I like to have a looser fit. It feels really light on the body. It doesn't feel super like heavy duty. Like I wouldn't necessarily consider this like a chore coat, like I'm gonna be out roughing it in this thing, but for like a casual fit, it's really nice. And yeah, I just wanted to show that to anybody who wanted to get one of these. As you can see, the sleeve has kind of like this shorter cuff. I actually like the shorter cuff. It is like a nice kind of like fold over tapey feel. And the buttons are all the same throughout the whole jacket. There's a tag on the inside with the extra button on it. I definitely think this jacket is really nice, especially for the 90-ish, 80-ish dollars that I paid for it. And I will probably end up ordering another one in a different color, like the green, or I know they have some that are the moleskine ones.